parents and my dear students. My name is Hiteshi Kothari and I am a graphologist and your handwriting trainer. Friends, do you want to improve your handwriting? Do you want to make your handwriting look more beautiful? Yes, if your handwriting is beautiful, people actually sees and praises your handwriting, that you have a very good handwriting. So, how? How can you make your handwriting look more beautiful? Here I am to guide you, to train you. Firstly, I would like to introduce about the handwriting with graphology. Dr. Ludwig Kleix has been regarded as the modern graphologist about handwriting. But earlier in 80s, 70s, it was actually being coined by Jean Micon, a Frenchman. Yes, he is the first one who has actually reveals that a person's writing can reveal his personality. The way of person's writing is actually reveals his personality. How? How can a personality, handwritings can reveal a person's personality? See, there are different kinds of people with different personalities, but their handwriting actually reveals their personalities. You may be wondering the questions again, how? So let me explain you. See, there are three kinds of writing. The larger handwriting, the smaller handwriting, and the average handwriting. See, there are three kinds of writing. The people who used to write with the larger, with the smaller, and with the average handwriting. The people who writes large or they write their handwriting is big. These kind of people likes to be in a limelight. They likes to be a center of attractions. They need the attention. They likes to be attended. And the people with small handwriting, they are usually shy. They don't like crowding areas or more covered with more people and all. They're only focused to their work. Whereas the people with average handwriting, they have mixed personalities. Yes, they can deal with the larger handwriting personalities and with the smaller handwriting personalities. So see friends, you can see that these kind of people, when you notice, you will actually see that there are such kind of people. If you want more information, okay, this was the size of the handwriting. Okay, handwriting sizes can be easily changed during to their moods, their mood swings. But the people with slant, yes, the people writes the way they are. It's also termed as slant. Yes, slant. Now you may be wondering what is slant. Slant is that the way the people write. The people write in a right slant, vertical slant, and the left slant. Yes or no? The people with the right slant are very emotional. Yes, their mind has been controlled by their heart. They are usually very warm and caring. Whereas the people with the vertical slant, they are actually they are mixed personalities. As I said, they are mixed personalities. They even sometimes they show their emotions, sometimes they hide their emotions, but usually they tend to hide their emotions. They won't open up with the people very oftenly. And whereas the left slant people, the people who tend to write on a left slant people, they're usually very cold, very different. They not at all share their emotions, nor they show their sorrows to other people. See friends, there are such kind of people. Now you will actually believe me that handwriting actually reveals your personality. Okay, I'll show you 2-3 more examples about the writing the words. The people, some very people are write their A. Okay, such kind of people write their A. The people who write kind of A this way, they are actually very secretive person. They won't open up very easily. The people who write such kind of A, they're usually lazy. They are just writing. I will need to write. Okay, I have finished my work. And the people with the open A, see you have this open. The A isn't completely, it's open. They are very talkative. They never hold their secrets or anybody's secrets. They tend to talk. They are very talkative. So बोलते हैं ना, बातों बातों में दिल की बात निकल जाती है. Yes, they are such kind of people. Now I'll give you a one more example about the letter T. The person write T this way, this way. The bar is very high, the bar is very low, and the bar is equally. The bar with the high, there are people usually in a very rush. They always rush to their work or in their any kind of field. Oh God, I've been late to the office, I've been late to the school and all and all. The such kind of people are actually rushy people. And the people who are slow, they take very slowly. Okay, I'll complete it. What's so hurry, what's a rush? These are slow bar people, they are tend to be very lazy kind of people. And the people with the equal bar, they have a specific timetable. They are very particular in their time. I have this time, I need to complete this by work in a specific time. These are the specific people. So see friends, now you will come to know that handwriting actually reveals your personality. So friends, do you want to join my handwriting? Do you want to make your handwriting skills more beautiful? So come and join my workshop. My workshop is very specific and it is practical and very scientific. See friends, when you join the other handwriting classes, the people charges thousands of rupees, but I am charging you a very nominal fees. So friends, what are you waiting for? Join now, join today, call me to improve your handwriting skills.